How to install numpy in Python. First, let's install Python. How to install the latest version of Python, that is Python 3.14.5 on Windows 11. First, you need to go over to Google and search Install Python. You want to click on the first link that comes up from python.org, that being the one that says Download Python. On this page, click on the yellow highlighted text after the words to get the standalone installer. Once it is finished downloading, I will click on it up here. That will bring up a program that will help you install Python. You will want to check Add Python.exe to Path, because that will make it easier for you to run Python code from the command line. You will also want to check Use Admin Privileges when installing pydocs.exe. Next, click on Customize Installation. Since all the options are selected here, click the Next button. Under Advanced Options, check the Install Python 3.14 for all users. Everything else you can keep the way it is. Next, click on Install. You'll get asked for admin privileges. Click Yes on that. Now our installation will start. It will take a few minutes. Once your Python installation was successful, you can simply close this window. Now if you open up the command prompt, in the command prompt if you type Python space -- version, it should bring up Python 3.14.5. Next, let's make sure we have pip installed. So pip -- version. You'll see it says the version, so we have successfully installed pip along with Python. Finally, let's install numpy. So we will do pip install numpy. Okay, now we've successfully installed numpy in Python. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.